In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Volvo S80 key fob. This is a very easy process. It'll just take you a couple minutes. The only things that you'll need to get it done are a special kind of screwdriver. It's called a Torx screwdriver, and this is a Torx size T8. See if I can get it to focus. It's a star-shaped screwdriver. Well, nevertheless, you can see right here this screw, that special shape on there. That's what we're going to need to remove the battery. So if you don't have one of these, go check in the description. There'll be a link down there that'll take you over to Amazon where you can get something like this for cheap. And the only other thing you'll need for this process is one CR2032 battery. And there will be a link in the description to get one of these on Amazon as well. So go ahead and start by unscrewing the screw on the back of your key fob. Carefully set it to the side, and now we're just going to open this thing up. But you can see there are these two tabs on the top there, so don't just snap this open. You want to start to open it and then push it up off of those two plastic tabs. And from here, you can come right over to the battery on the side. There's a little opening. I'm going to use this screwdriver to get under the battery and try to pry it out. There we go. Dispose of your old battery, take your new CR2032 battery, and when you're putting it in, make sure the positive side that has the plus sign on it is facing down. We can just snap that into place and start putting this back together. So all you want to do is go ahead and slip this on top of those tabs first, and then you can just squeeze it back together before putting the screw in there. Just turn that back in there and you are finished. You've got a new battery in your device that should last a very long time, and you're good to go. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helped you out. And if it did, feel free to leave a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another one of your keys, you can come back here to this channel and we'll have you covered with a video just like this one.